Hello, my name is Wendy Sanchez, and today I will start the activity What would have happened if. A big decision you have made. Possibility. Begin my university career in business administration. Question. Maybe that I would have done differently would have been not the postponed my students and those have graduation several years ago. First paragraph. 6 years ago, I made the decision to start studying business administration. I studied at Unitec for 2 semesters. However, I had to stop for financial reasons. Then in 2017 I decided to start again at Manuela Beltrán University with the support of the company I was working for. At that time I had the support of my husband Anderson was my motivation. Now we have a son for grown, I continue with the determination of finish my career. Second paragraph. First, I had to drop out of school because I had my money. At that time, I felt very sad and a little frustration because my greatest desire was to be a professional. At that moment, I feel that I could never finish my students. If I had enough money, I would not have had to stop and probably would have finished in a short time. Third paragraph. I regret not having continued my student quickie. However, I have the opportunity to start again. I feel challenged and motivated by my family to complete this dream of being a great professional. I started with all the attitude and nothing can stop me. Although I'm starting late again, I do not regret that because it's never too late to start. Thank you.